Seen a serene, misty lake at dawn. A rusty hook attached to a crane cable slowly dips into the water. Narrator. On a quiet Tuesday morning in May 2024, a team of salvage divers made a discovery that would send shockwaves through the automotive world. Nestled in the murky depths of Lake Alleghe in the Italian Dolomites, they found a ghost from the past, a spectral silhouette that was once the pinnacle of speed and design. This is the incredible story of the restoration of a legendary Pagani Zonda R, a hypercar lost to the water and time, and its journey back to glory. Scene. Underwater footage shows the silt-covered outline of a car. Divers swim around it, their lights illuminating the iconic Zonda shape. Narrator. For over a decade, the car sat in its watery grave, a forgotten relic. Algae and sediment had claimed its carbon fiber body, and the once pristine interior was a ruin, filled with water and lake debris. The magnesium alloy wheels were corroded, and the mighty 7.3L AMG V12 engine was seized solid, a silent heart in a drowned beast. It was a heart-wrenching sight for any enthusiast, a monument to a forgotten tragedy, seemingly destined to rust away into oblivion. The challenge of bringing it back to life seemed not just daunting but utterly impossible. Scene. Time-lapse of the car being carefully lifted from the water by the crane, water pouring from every crevice. It's placed onto a flatbed truck. Narrator. The recovery operation was a delicate dance between brute force and surgical precision. Every cable and strap had to be perfectly placed to avoid causing further damage to the fragile, waterlogged chassis. Once on dry land, the true extent of the decay was revealed. The electronics were completely destroyed, a tangled mess of corroded wires and shorted-out circuit boards. The luxurious leather and Alcantara interior was a moldy, unsalvageable swamp. It was a daunting starting point, a project that would test the limits of even the most skilled restoration experts. Scene. A pristine workshop. Technicians in cleanroom suits are meticulously disassembling the car. Close-ups of hands carefully cleaning individual bolts and engine components. Narrator. The restoration was undertaken by the masters at Pagani's own Rinascimento program, the only team in the world with the expertise to resurrect such a machine. The car was stripped down to its bare monocoque chassis, with every single component down to the last titanium bolt being removed, cataloged, and assessed. The carbon fiber body panels were painstakingly repaired and refinished by hand, layer by layer, until the original weave pattern shone through once more. The engine was completely rebuilt, with each piston, valve, and bearing being replaced or remachined to original factory specifications. It was a process of mechanical archaeology, uncovering the soul of the machine from beneath the layers of neglect. Scene. The fully restored Zonda R gleaming under bright studio lights. The camera pans slowly over its flawless carbon body, polished wheels, and immaculate interior. Narrator. After 18 months of relentless dedication and thousands of hours of labor, the Zonda R was reborn. Its V12 engine roared back to life, a thunderous symphony that had been silenced for too long. The interior was retrimmed with fresh leather and carbon accents, indistinguishable from the day it first left the factory. The final result is not just a restored car, it's a rolling sculpture, a testament to the passion and craftsmanship that defines the Pagani brand. It stands as a powerful symbol of resilience, proving that even from the darkest depths, true legends can rise again, more brilliant than ever before. Scene. The restored Zonda R is shown driving at speed on a winding mountain road, reminiscent of the Dolomites where it was found. The engine sound is prominent. Narrator. From the bottom of an alpine lake to the pinnacle of automotive perfection, this Pagani Zonda R's journey is a modern-day automotive fairy tale. It's a story that reminds us that with enough passion, skill, and dedication, nothing is truly lost forever. Today, on this scenic road near Modena, this resurrected icon isn't just turning heads, it's rewriting its own history, a triumphant roar echoing through the mountains, a final, powerful statement of its incredible comeback.